In the diagram, ABCD and APQR are congruent rectangles. The side PQ passes through the point D, and angle PDA equals x degrees. Find an expression for the angle DRQ in terms of x. So the first thing we do is we are going to join dr, and we're going to mark the angle as theta. So we assume the angle DRQ is theta, and we have to express theta in terms of x. That's what we've been asked to do. So the first thing here, the next thing we do is we mark out the equal parts, the equal sides, and we have AR equals AD. That's because the rectangles are congruent. So you see that this side AR and this side AD would just, they fit on each other. So they would be equal, and also they would be equal to BC and PQ. But we are not interested in BC and PQ for the purpose of this question. So we only say AR equals AD because the rectangles are congruent. And the next thing is in triangle APD. We look at triangle APD, that is this triangle APD. So in APD, you have angle APD is 90 degrees because it is the P is the vertex of the rectangle. So you have angle APD is 90 degrees, and then triangle PAD. So PAD would be this angle, and that is 180 minus 90 plus x. And then that equals 90 minus x. So angle PAD we got, this angle would be 90 minus x. So once we do that, 90 minus x, we get angle DAR. So this is 90 minus x, and angle DAR would be this angle. That would really be 90 minus, because this whole angle is 90 degree. So this bit would be 90 minus 90 minus x. So that's the idea. And then we get then angle, therefore that would equal x degrees, and then therefore angle ARD, that is this angle, would equal 180 minus x. This we have found as x degree. Okay, so therefore angle ARD would be 180 minus x divided by 2, because triangle ARD is isosceles. So these two angles will be equal. Angle ARD and angle ADR would be equal. So then we get triangle ARD is isosceles, and then triangle DRQ therefore would be, you see this angle ARQ, this whole thing is 90 degree. So once you've got this angle, that is angle ARD, that is 180 minus x divided by 2, then the angle DRQ would be 90 degrees minus 180 minus x divided by 2, and that would be x out of 2, or half x. So we get the answer, theta in terms of x, or angle DRQ expressed in terms of x, would be half x.